Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, pharmajobalert.in. Friends, in this channel, we are going to provide job updates for freshers candidates. So, if you are visiting our channel for the very first time, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, in this video, let us see the job opening from Midcoin Biopharma for quality assurance pharmacovigilance. Friends, the job location is Bagampet, Hyderabad. This is a work from office. The notice period is up to 10 days. So if you are interested, you can share your CVs to the following mail ID which is mentioned here. So for all the professional position, perform quality assurance related activities to FDA and RO regulations, supports the oversight and management of global business communications with partner companies and vendors regarding processing and timely exchange of safety data. So these are the details. So if you are interested and already working in this PV sector and wish to shift to a new company, then it is an opportunity for you. You can share your CVs to harika.ch@midcoinbiopharma.com or WhatsApp them your CVs. So thank you for watching. For timely job updates like this, subscribe to our channel. Freshers or experienced, so there is no any comparison, but anyone can follow our channel because there will be an important update for every one of you, my dear friends. Thank you.